Hello student, I am Devuli PN, your teacher, MBA Part 1, Semester 1. In this session, we want to discuss on subject Management Accounting, Unit number 3, Analysis of Financial Statement. Last session, we are discussed objective, introduction of financial statement, meaning of financial statement analysis, nature of financial statement and objective of financial statement analysis. In this session, we want to discuss on financial statement analysis and interpretation, use of financial statement analysis, and we want to learn limitation of financial statement. First of all, we want to understand financial statement analysis and interpretation. The term financial statement analysis and interpretation is also known as financial analysis. It refers to the process of determining financial strength and weaknesses of the firm by establishing strategy, relationship between the item of the balance sheet, profit and loss account and other operative data. According to Metcalfe and Tittart, analyzing financial statement is a process of evaluating in the relationship between component part of financial statement to obtain a better understanding of firm position and performance. Another definition is there. Financial statement analysis is largely a study of relationship among the various financial factors in a business as disclosed by a single statement and study of trend of these factors as shown in series of the statement, which is stated by Meyer. The purpose of financial statement analysis is to diagnose the information contained in financial statement so as to judge the profitability and financial soundness of the firm. Just like a doctor examines his patient by recording his body temperature, blood pressure, etc. Before making his conclusion regarding the illness and before giving his treatment, a financial analyst analyzes the financial statement with various tools of analysis before commenting upon the financial health or weaknesses of the enterprise. The analysis and interpretation of financial statement is essential to bring out mystery behind the figures in financial statement. Financial statement analysis is an attempt to determine the significance and meaning of financial statement data so that forecast may be made of the future earning, ability to pay, interest and debt maturity, both current and long term is there, and profitability of a sound dividend policy. The term financial statement analysis include both analysis and interpretation. A distinction should therefore be made before the two terms, while the term analysis is used to mean the simplification of financial data by methodological classification of data given in the financial statement. Interpretation means explaining the meaning and significance of data so simplified. However, both analysis and interpretation are interlinked and complementary to each other. Analysis is useless without interpretation and interpretation without analysis is difficult or even impossible. Hence, herewith we want to differentiate between what is distinction between analysis and interpretation. First of all, we want to know meaning of key term of analysis and interpretation. Analysis is the process of reviewing and analyzing the company financial statement, and interpretation of the financial statement refers to understanding what the financial interpretation without analysis. Repeat. Interpretation on repeat. Interpretation on financial statement refers to understand what the financial statement indicate. Then purpose. Financial statement are analyzed to understand how the result of the current period have changed from the past period. And interpretation. Financial statements are interpreting to ensure and inform decision making for future performance. Then time factor is there. Analysis of financial statement is straight flow or compared to interpreting them, thus take relatively less time. And in term of interpretation, interpretation of financial statement require extracting and investigating and finding relationship among information, thus is more time consuming. Then from this point we may understand what is difference between analysis and interpretation. Right now we want to refer or learn use of financial statement analysis. George O. May point out the following major uses of financial statement as per report of stewardship: as a basis of fiscal policy, to decide the legality of dividend, as a guide to recommended dividend action, as a basis for the granting of credit, as an information for prospective investor in enterprises, then as a guide to the value of investment already made. Analysis of financial statement use to aid to government supervision. It helps to as a basis for price or rate regulation, and its basis for taxation. These are uses of financial statement analysis. Then we want to understand limitation of financial statement analysis. First point is there, depending on historical cost. Balance sheet and other records may not show realistic picture since these are dependent on historical cost. However, with a dependence on historical cost, most fixed assets are not revalued as per current market condition. This leads to transactional estimation that are extremely lower when compared to current standard. This issue is mostly related to long-term asset. Then second limitation is there, lack of accurate record of intangible asset. Business enterprises have many intangible assets like brand value, research and developments, etc. Typically, these assets are recorded in expenditure. However, they are intangible and financial statements do not shed and light on such asset. Third limitation is there, subject to manipulation. There is always a chance of manipulative activity on the part of a company to project either poor or bright financial position depending on benefit associated there. This is done sometimes to avail yourself of payout and bonuses that are subject to specific business numbers and revenue generation. Then fourth limitation is prevalent conventions. Accounting conventions that are involved in recording of financial statement also bring about certain inherent limitation of financial statement. In case of liquidation or any such moment, many assets do not reach their declared value owing to their old record not accounting for depreciation. Fifth point of limitation is there, interim report with no predictive value. Profit and loss statement and other similar statements are restricted to specific period and do not stand for revenue generating capability of enterprises. Understandably, such a financial statement does not adequately represent future projection or aid in estimation. These are limitations of analysis of financial statement. You may in this session understand use of financial statement analysis. There are some limitations and you may understand this better. Thank you.